Eric Lake, what is up? Great day? Yes. Not bad day. Horrible price action in the NQ, but Corey, what's good? Oh, market's finally coming down here. 22,800. Testing it, but man. Katie Lay, so the pro account is not end of day, it's the pro plus. So that is the live portion. So like once you get, if you say you have a $10,000 day on day one, then they'll move you to pro plus. So yeah. But that's still good news because when I went live with pro take profit traders, so when I got my pro plus account, it was still intraday trailing, and I was just like, this is dumb. This is not like a live account. There's no live account that's intraday trailing. So hey Amelia, good to see you. Uncle Mo, what's up? Did you say your TPT eval for me for birthday week? Maybe buy another Apex 100K static. Nice, Eric Lake. So not a bad deal though on Take Profit Trader. $90 for a 25K account. Matter of fact, I gotta change that. Yeah, no problem, Katie Lay. Yeah, still a really good deal on the Take Profit Trader, but yeah, removing that intraday trailing on the Pro Plus and actually makes it worth it. So that kind of like drives me a little bit. I tell you, like 90-10 split is also worth it, an extra 10%, because when you start getting daily payouts and they take 20% every single time, it kind of sucks, but I mean, it's the price we pay, I guess. But John Walk in the house. Yeah, I decided to hop on a little bit. I was sitting here kind of bored, putting in some work, so. How'd everyone do today? How you guys doing? Market kind of crazy. Horrible price action in my opinion. I feel very fortunate to be green. Most of my trades were very, very discretionary. Hey, Mayor. Been short since the open. So believe it or not, John, I was in a short too, pretty much around the open on this My Funded Futures account. Let's check out the fills and orders. So at 9:45 I went short, and I basically held it until 1:40. I got out once we started chopping again, and then I took a break of the inside bar here and got back what I was down, which wasn't that much, or pretty close to what I was down. And then I ended up taking a short off the VWAP here for just a little scalp. And that's it. And it's at $200. That's crazy. Hey. Yeah, thank you, Mayor. Well, that's kind of what I was going for, John, is the open gap. Kind of what I was going for, or at least the gap down to the RTH. Which is 53 points away. It's kind of what I was thinking. If we get a slow grind down, I'll be fine. But because I'm actually in some SPX options too. Oh, let's see. I'm actually let's see what I'm in. I'm in some SPX 6200, 6205 call spreads. So I sold them. So, and I sold them at $1.25. So they're actually sitting in the money right now. They're selling around 50 cents. So I'm up about $225. So I could actually sit around here the rest of the day. I'll be fine. Yo, Jim. What's up? What's up? What's up? So I sent out the email, Yo, Jim, to Take Profit Traders. So hopefully they respond and get back. Yeah, so I'm selling for a credit. So if I want it to expire worthless. The spread, yeah. TCG. Yeah, I sold 3 credit spreads on SPX. There it goes. Now it's headed for that gap. Today. It's 0 day. Yeah, I can show you on the, I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can pull it up here. I don't think it's gonna pick it up. Maybe if I shut this light up. No, not gonna show, sorry. It's just it's something that Terry Trades has actually been teaching me. You know what it reminds me of, like, because what it is like I don't want the price to go above 6,200 or 6,200 on SPX, and it reminds me of like betting the over and unders in the football game. So it's kind of it's a lot less stressful way of trading, to be honest with you. Yes. And I'm so green at it. I'm just learning, but I'm learning by doing. So you guys do me a favor and smash that like button. Smash it. Appreciate you guys hanging in here. We are pushed down lower. I do have Take Profit Traders here that I would not mind passing, but Kind of waiting for a little more volatility here. All right, tried to break down below initial balance low there and just pushing back up. Let's take a look at ES on the TPOs. Notice pushing down. I gotta reset these. I gotta 9 30. There we go. That's better. I like the initial balance to be A and B. There, I like that better. So the ES is broke down below the initial balance. NASDAQ's above it. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold's kind of grinding higher. Let's check out YM. New 15-minute bar.
Order filled.
Might actually try a short here. Hey Design, what's up? Getting a little bounce here. So the volatility is picking up a little bit, which is good. Hey, Sherry. Absolutely destroyed in the first 30 minutes. Oh, sorry to hear that, Design. 3 TPT evals and 2 pros all gone. Oh, that does hurt, Design. I hear you there, man. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, that sucks. I hate, you know, losing those TPT pros. It's the worst. So a really bad entry there, but we'll see. Might get out here. I don't know, we'll see. Moving my stop just above this wick. Same 1R. You lost some TPTs today. Yeah, that's horrible. I mean, I picked up another TPT today with the 40% off, $90, which is a great deal. It's the best deal that you'll see with TPT, but we don't want to lose any accounts. Long as shops short at the bottom. Yeah, that's what I just did. When I should just be trying to play the range. But I still have that short bias going on, which tends to be a little dangerous for me. I don't like to have bias. It's a pretty bearish candle, but this is also a bullish candle, so now do we just chop the 800s here for the next hour? All blown with 0 payouts on any of them? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that sucks. Well, I don't really like this trade, obviously, because it's taking some drawdown. And I don't really like this hammer candle with a spike in volume for short. Alright, we'll just leave the stop loss where it is. Stopped out there. I still have $55 on that, but bad trade. I was trying to go in for some momentum to the downside there, and we didn't get it. We swept below, grabbed some volume here. It's pushing right back up to the VWAP. Let's check out gold here. Gold's starting to looks like it's trying to round over, but inside bar was hard to find today, yeah, for sure. They did not work that well either. Good for little scalps and stuff. Harami candles, horrible. But yeah, just very, very choppy today, Francis.
Order filled.
Close your eyes, design.
Order working.
Short gold on this eval. See if we can push down into this gap. ES right back to the point of control. Stops just at the highs on gold. 311, risking 200 bucks on this eval. Oh, design. I lost a little on TPT Pro earlier, but pulled up before that special moment. Oh, good discipline, Yo Jim. All right, pushing right back to the VWAP. One winning trade for about 50 bucks, about 30 losers. Ooh, yeah, that's those are definitely recipes. Those days are definitely recipes for blow ups. I've definitely have had those. And you have about 10% winning days, winning trades. Do we actually break above the VWAP here and stay above it? Hey Tyler, what's up? I don't know either. All right, NASDAQ pushing up above the VWAP. Yeah, I'll be streaming tonight, yeah. Well, I did blow a TPT eval, soft breach, and my funded futures eval, but plus 100 and another funded into. Oh, nice. That's not too bad, Yo Jim. Working on self-control tool, Globex. Price action is bad. It's horrible. starting to pick up now on the NASDAQ, but the nasty NASDAQ. Oh, now I get liquidated at 22,848. Oof. That'll be, yeah. Still in that gold short. YM was choppy. It was a lot smoother today again. And Q looked like a choppy mess. Yeah. I didn't trade any YM today. Wow, what a nice little push up on YM. Compare that NQ and NQ looks good, yeah, for sure, Amelia. Alright, gold's kind of chopping around. NQ's pushing higher. Ooh, 6 TPT's gone, 5 gone in 30 minutes. Ugh. Sorry to hear that design. It's no good, man. I've been there. Hopefully I don't get there right now. Hey, Shad. Yeah, it was horrible. It's starting to pick up now, but it's still bad.
Order filled. filled.
Stopped out in gold. Stopped out in NASDAQ.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
Alright, down 350 on this account. ES is about ready to test the initial balance high. Thank God I have a full-time job to pay for my gambling. I mean, addiction. Yeah. I mean, my trading addiction.
Order working.
Well, let's try for a long here at 852. Off the 9 bounce.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
We can break above the 860s here. Hey, Black Beauty. Hey, J Ray. Yeah, he's cool, dude. Smooth. It's pretty chill in there. I like it. Well, I expect a little more bounce there off the first 9 touch, but
Order filled.
I'm adding.
cancelled.
Stops at break even on the second one.
Order cancelled.
Alright, so got back most of what I was just down there on that by adding to that winner aggressively. Figured we'd sweep this for a little pop. Now let's see what this candle does. If we swept this, if we come back down, put in a harami here, this might be a good short play. Let's wait and see. I've been waiting for a deeper pullback to get in some longs. I gotta say, out of this range, it's been chopping. Yeah, it's been pretty bad, J-Ray. Pretty bad. Feels pretty fortunate to have made the money that I on the funded accounts. Everything that mattered early this morning. So Buellanox, been crushing this. Buellanox up 273 on that master. It's the only master account I have right now. I have a bunch of evals. I got rebuild from the 90% off. XFA, green. This is up 500 bucks on that XFA, so slowly grinding that. And the Take Profit Pro, $540 daily payout. So there's a harami there. It's interesting.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna short here. I legitimately hate trading. Any idiot can sway the market at any given moment. It's the most annoying. Yeah, markets are very random, 1R, for sure. Markets can be very random. See you, Tyler. Up 300 today, but was hell getting there. Up 100, back negative 300, up 220, then back down to 100. I'm just accepting the same. Yeah, no, it's definitely not J-Ray. Yeah. All right, taking a little heat here. Notice the ES push right back down into the point of control here. That'd be good for our NASDAQ. Yeah, it's kind of what I'm thinking, design, but it's just not. It's just looks like we keep grinding up. Ah, damn. All right, give him back that last trade, right?
Order cancelled.
Well, we did sweep the low of that Harami candle and then immediately pushed right back up. Barely swept it. Oh, you know what? It's equal. Oof. Equal lows on the 5-minute.
Order filled.
Do not follow my trades, guys. Put in equal lows on this 5-minute here. Getting back in this trade.
Order filled.
Short 2 now.
Order cancelled.
Out of 1.
Order cancelled.
Out of the other one. So we put in those equal lows there. That's a pull the trigger when I see that on 5-minute. Or if we put in equal highs or lows. I thought we swept the low of this Harami candle, and we did not. We put in the equal lows, so when I saw that, that's a. So yeah, I'm kind of yo-yoing back and forth on this account now. So it'd be nice to just get like one nice solid trade in to get some momentum on this account. But that's some good examples on how I add to winning trades. Hey, Terry Trades 100 in the house. What's up, Celebrity Terry Trades? Buy a Clambo yet? Yeah, I was looking at the market profile on the ES. Yes, well, on a rotational day, most people might play the breakout with the TPOs. Staying short back to the POC. Yes, exactly. So I'm still thinking, you know, we tested the initial balance high on the ES, and hopefully we get a push back down into the initial balance. I mean, the point of control, at least down in here, 62.36, 62.40. Hopefully we don't just break above, and then I think if we break above and stay above initial balance, that could be disastrous for the bears. I think at that point. Just my 2 cents. TCG. What's up, TCG? Smash that like button on the way in, guys. What we got? 40 people watching. Appreciate that. I normally don't trade at this time, so thank you for the 40 that are watching. Got 22 likes. The sour hour. Terry. Yeah, Sherry, I'm gonna be on 6 p.m. Yep. I think I don't know. Well, I don't think I'll be streaming Thursday night. So, just throwing in some, clocking in some hours for the stream. Terry's, Coach Fred's long. Good luck, Fred. What's going on, Fred? How was your day going? Trailing 67 entry. Yeah, here we go. We're breaking above the initial balance high now. Not looking good for the Bears. Yeah, it was difficult. Definitely difficult to trade. Hmm. $57? Yeah, nice. Alright, trying to break above the initial balance high there. Only need 300 to pass the 5th combine. Oh, nice, Shad. Also long in a blue sky static eval. Goal is 3,000 with 1 mini only. Good luck. We are breaking above there. 880s. So I'm trying to get some Buell Knox accounts to give away on stream, and they sent me an email, but I don't understand it. Yes, it does, Disciplined Trader, I believe. That ends tonight at midnight. Let me double check. Unless Terry is listening. My Funded Futures Connect. Hey, Stock Tiger in the house. Wood chip. Yeah, we're doing okay. I'll get chopped up on this eval here, but yes. So Terry says that the buy one get one ends tonight. So if you guys want to use code PINE, I appreciate it. It's buy one starter plus, or buy one expert account on My Funded Futures. You pass it, you get one for free. So it's a great deal. How's it going today, Stock Tiger? How's the trading going? I need some accounts, any donations? Well, you could have came in last night. We were giving away accounts. Yeah, Pine, Discipline Trader. Yeah, appreciate it. Today, some more giveaways. I don't know if I have any. Let's see. Woo! Market's rallying. Nice trade, Fred. Let's check the yeah, Design had a rough day today. Well, we've been there. Nice, Fred. Nice trade, buddy. Love to see it. ES pushing higher. The last day of June has been horrendous. Yeah, I've definitely had I've had those days, like the last days of the year, last trading days of the year, first trading days of the year. Psychologically can be tough, that's for sure. I've been there. Oh really? You got back? Wow, you were down 1,800, down only 300, not touching it. Nice, Fred. Nice. Good for you for battling back. Last day of the quarter too. That is a good point. I actually forgot. Last day of the quarter. All right, NASDAQ. Testing that initial balance high again. Ooh, this is a nice play.
Order filled.
I like the short. I got it in a little late though. I do like that rejection there. Really need the ES to get down below that initial balance though. High. I normally don't look at ES much when I'm trading, but for some reason today I just felt like it. Got 30 minutes before the market closes. Well, regular trading hours. Get down there! Oh, what's that? This time? Power hour? Decide to thrive? You started streaming? Good luck. It's a grind, but yeah. Thank you. I don't have to imitate Jay. Jay's my boy.
All right, let's see. Looks like I got trapped again. It's a big stop out. But all right, we did not get a close below initial balance high. So hey JLS, what's happening? What's going on? Man, my toe hurts. Jammed my toe in the corner of my bed about 3-4 weeks ago. Hurt it pretty good. Finally got it about healed, and I jammed it again on the same bedpost yesterday, last night. Just popping in, not trading today. Nice, JLS. Caught the gold longs. So it's those toe shoes, you know? That's what it is. So toe shoes. Well, I did buy a new pair of shoes over the weekend, and now they don't fit right because my toes all messed up. Move your bed. It's the stupid middle post. I had laundry on my bed, and then I went to grab the laundry and kicked it like a bozo. It's a new bed frame too. That's probably why. It's just one of those cheap ones that have the metal posts. Get out, saw him modify it. Yeah, I gotta put something around it, some padding or something. There we go. Alright, let's close below the initial balance high, and that'll make me happy. But we do have the murder on close coming up. But a nice run back to the VWAP would be good.
Don't know. But I really wanted the ES to push down and back down into here. And this volume point control and the point of control. Because on my options account, real money, that's where I'd like it to be. To close at 4 o'clock. Handlebar foam from a BMX bike. That's actually not a bad idea, would you? Yeah. Probably that insulation that you put around the foam padding you put around plumbing. That actually would work pretty good. Ugh. Guess it wants to go higher, I guess. How do you feel about EMFs? Thinking Maine sounds like a great place to get away from cell towers. You'd have to go way up north, Tex. So way up in northern Maine, and then there's no cell phone reception. You get off onto the dirt roads and stuff. So like way up Allagash, western Maine, Allagash. Things like that. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out. Yep.
Order cancelled.
Well, that sucks. So down 535 on this eval. Market's continuing to push higher. The murder on close coming up in just a few minutes. Oh well. Oh, Searsport? Searsport's a nice area, day trader. Yeah, Searsport's nice. I've stayed on the ocean in Searsport before.
Are we there for Lobster Fest? Oh, cool. I've gone to that. Well, I've gone to the one in Rockland. Did you go to the one in Rockland? Hey, Honest Take, blew up 3 combines. Oh, it sucks, Honest Take. Yeah, today was tough. Yeah, Lobster Fest in Rockland is fun. Did you watch the, did they do the lobster trap races? Where they race across the lobster traps? Oh, thanks, J Ray. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Yeah, they line up a bunch of lobster traps across the. Show you. Alright, mark it. This is a lobster trap race. They race across these lobster traps. That's kind of fun we have up here in Maine. Murder on Clothes coming up. Oh, Bar Harbor is beautiful, yeah. It's a main thing you wouldn't understand. Exactly. Yeah, Bar Harbor is awesome. So you took a trip up to Acadia? Or did you go up, was it Cadillac Mountain? Was it Cadillac Mountain? Yeah, I used to spend summers up there with the family. Alright, get the Murder on Clothes here. Two minutes. Looks like we're gonna test that overnight high. Murderbot gonna slam into the bottom of my screen, hopefully. I don't know. I don't know. If I had to guess, we might test that overnight high here, 22,915, but we'll see. $30 seconds. Kennebunk, Connecticut, yeah. Wells and Kennebunk, yeah. Still nice. Still nice, Fred. Woo! So I lost on my SPX spread. Lost 700. Womp womp. Always tomorrow. We are just ripping higher now. Yeah, right, Fred. Yeah. So I was bearish. I got in earlier, looking to push down and fill the gap, the RTH gap, and we never did. So I was bearish. We are short squeezing. Did anyone catch that push?
Hard to not revenge trade with max contracts when it keeps working out. I hear ya. Hey, Keegan. I wished out on my long, should have held. Hey, MB. This is not Asian session. No. I proceeded to come on for a couple hours to lose 535 bucks on this eval, but it's all good. Alright, I gotta make sure everything's closed out here. Oh no, take profit trader can trade till 5, right? Yeah.
Order filled.
Trying to scalp along here. One stab at it.
Order cancelled.
Alright, that's it. Enough punishment on that. Lost a TPT pro account. But gotta be honest, I think I just can't handle the pressure of daily payouts. Yeah, so Nate, yeah, that's it's definitely a psychological barrier, that's for sure. I do tend to degen my pro accounts a little bit. Yeah, I think I was trying to play my P&L, Fred. I think normally I would have took it off, but I was trying to play my P&L on that. We were up about almost 15 points on that little scalp try, but
But nice work on the Buellnox, Nate. So, I mean, yeah, it's definitely a psychological thing, because if you can get up the Buellnox to 3.6 with the intraday trailing, then definitely can do it with Take Profit Trader. So a little count recap. So down 750 on this eval. This pro account up 540, so we'll get a daily payout of 540. This eval here up 235. This one I did not trade. I just picked this one up. So if you guys didn't know, I'm sure everyone knows by now, Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fees, if you use code PINE, all caps. It's the best deal that they have generally, so just a really good deal. And if you get to a live account Pro Plus, they got rid of the intraday trailing, so which is sweet. So I get those daily payouts, guys. My funded futures up 206 on this funded account. So this is the account that I hit daily loss limit on 3 times. So I'm actually up to $929 on that. So I'm getting very close to another payout on that. Buellnox, I'm working on the 3rd payout. Locked myself out at 273. I currently do not have any other master accounts. And the XFA Express account, I'm taking the base hits. Up $1,305 on that total, and $553 for the day. So I'm just kind of working on the base hits again instead of trying to go for the home runs. As you can see here, I'm on day 5. Had an $887 loss. You can see I was a little tilty, 35 trades. So on one day there, but just grinding that account there. Trying to keep a daily loss limit of around $900. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a break now. I'll be back 6 p.m. Eastern time. How's the scale out done? Is that having more than one contract at a go? Yeah. When they talk about scaling in and scaling out, it's more than one contract. But I appreciate you guys using my code PINE. Smash that like button. We will be back 6 p.m. Let's do it for the turtle markets. That end session exhausted me. Peace out, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Smash that like button on your way out. Appreciate it.